Replacing broken tile. Floor tiles can crack due to wear and tear or through damage if a heavy object is dropped on them. Replacing a single tile is more cost-effective than retiling an entire floor. At the end of this class, you will be able to identify tools and materials required for replacing a broken tile. Replace the broken tile. Let's first familiarize with the tools that you would need to replace a broken tile. Hammer, chisel, gloves, goggles. Let's now see the materials that will be required to replace a broken tile. Grout scrubber. Now let's see the procedure to replace a broken tile. Before replacing a broken tile, wear goggles to protect eyes and gloves to protect hands. Step 1. Remove the broken tile. Hammer down the broken tile. With chisel and hammer, remove the old grout. Step 2. Clean the removed surface. First remove the dirt with gloves. Then clean surface with wet grout scrubber. Step 3. Apply the grout and install the new tile. Apply grout to the back of the new tile. Place the new tile and use a piece of wooden to tap. Step 4. Clean the excess grout. Wet the scrubber and clean the excess grout outside the tile. Step 5. Fill the gaps. Fill the gaps of the replaced tile with white cement. Step 6. Clean the surface. Clean the surface with grout scrubber thoroughly. Now the broken tile is replaced by a new tile. With that, we come to the end of this class. Let's recall what we have learned. We learned the procedure for replacing a broken tile. Let's review its basic steps. Step 1. Remove the broken tile. Step 2. Clean the removed surface. Step 3. Apply the grout and install the new tile. Step 4. Clean the excess grout. Step 5. Fill the gaps. Step 6. Clean the surface. You have now learned how to replace a broken tile. Take our last class on Conclusion Tiler Ceramic.